Publicity is dynamic. It's about expressing out and engaging in. The Public Image Works method groups it all together in a healthy publicity ecosystem. The foundation of your publicity ecosystem is the roots. That's regular, ongoing communication. These are the most important parts to plan for. Creating content. Gather your stories and visuals together on a regular basis so you have them at your fingertips. Sending bulk emails to your different audiences. Keeping active with social media without falling down a rabbit hole. Updating your website and your YouTube channel. Do you have a YouTube channel? You should. It's the #2 search engine in the world. Getting feedback from your audiences and making sense of your analytics. Use the Public Image Works annual communications tool to help you here. It will ask you to choose the communications impact you want to make. Low-key, happy medium, or all in. I'm Ennis Carter, the Director of Social Impact Studios and the designer of the Public Image Works method. Public Image Works method helps good people promote their great work.